If you have family overseas waiting for their green card interview appointment, then this video is definitely for you to help you understand how much time they have to wait for their pending immigration case. Hello everyone, Attorney Lee Marvin here. I specialize in immigration law and I've been doing it for over a decade. I'm coming to you from my main office in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I do help people in any state of the country and really any country in the world. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. But again, every month I do this video, okay? This is the Visa Bulletin update video, okay? So again, for those of you who are watching for the first time, welcome to the channel. I will tell you that this Visa Bulletin comes out every month. Many of you already know that because you probably watch this every month because you subscribe and you get a notification when this video is coming out. So the Visa Bulletin comes out every month because the government needs to keep the public informed of their process to give them an idea when they can move forward with basically the final interview for their process, okay? So this video will help you understand when that time is gonna be. So the process overseas is basically in the embassies, okay? The embassies tell you when you're going to be able to move forward with your interview process, okay? They categorize the Visa Bulletin by relationship with the sponsor as well as the country of origin, okay? So you'll see we're posting this on the screen. The different categories are as follows. F1 is the unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The second category is broken up into F2A, spouses and children of permanent residents, or F2B, unmarried sons and daughters over the age of 21 of permanent residents, okay? Then it goes to the third category, which is F3, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. And then the final and the lowest category is the F4, which are brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, okay? The chart that we're posting tells you the categories based on the family relationship, as well as the different countries and the dates. It's called a priority date. Priority date is when the I-130 is recognized by the government, which is the family petition to be able to move forward the process. That date is the date we're talking about, okay? The priority date allows you to know when you're able to move forward with your process. Now, this chart that we're posting is the final action date, which is what tells you when you can actually move forward, the final action for the green card interview, okay? So I will say there's not a whole lot to report from last year because last month, because there's zero changes from last month's dates, okay? So you'll see here all these dates that tell the different categories is exactly the way it was last month. So why it hasn't moved? It's anyone's guess. It's hocus pocus for the most part, but this is what the government produces to show you where you are in the queue, okay? So just to give you an example. The F1 category, once again, is the unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. It is one of the longer waits because there's so many people that have gone through the process and are waiting for their time to move forward that it takes a little bit longer. So right now you'll see Philippines is the 1st of March of 2012. That's what they're processing right now. Mexico, they're processing from May of 2001, really long. India is from 2015 of January. China, also January of 2015. And everyone that's not one of those countries is January of 2015. So if your priority date is after that, you gotta wait. You gotta wait for the date to catch up with your priority date to be able to move forward. So that's how that works. So you can look through the different lists, take your time to digest this information because it takes a little time to match up your priority category with the date, okay? But these are the dates, the current dates for December of 2023, okay? As always, if you have questions, and most people do, you can reach out directly to me. If you need help with filing any of this stuff, you can reach out directly to me by clicking the link that's on your screen. You can drop comments below. Please subscribe Subscribe so that you get these notifications and that you can have a dialogue with me if you need to about basic questions. But if you want to meet with me directly, click the link, schedule your appointment. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions and help you with any of your processes for this sort of process or many, many other immigration processes. Don't forget to check out my channel so you can see a lot of my videos about a lot of different immigration matters. But reach out to me if you have questions. I would love to help you succeed.